Hello everyone! Today, we're diving into something super useful, decoding the food icons on your Philips Airfryer HD9252. Many people find these symbols a bit confusing at first. But don't worry, I'm here to make it crystal clear. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly what each icon represents and how to use them to cook perfectly. Let's get started. First, let's talk about the fries icon. This is probably the most recognizable one. It looks like a pile of French fries. This setting is designed for cooking frozen or homemade fries. The air fryer will automatically set the temperature in time for crispy, golden fries. Next up is the chicken icon. This usually shows a drumstick or a whole chicken. This setting is ideal for cooking chicken pieces, like wings, thighs, or even a small whole chicken. It ensures the chicken is cooked thoroughly and evenly. Now, let's look at the fish icon. This one is usually a simple outline of a fish. Use this setting for cooking fish fillets, such as salmon or cod. It's designed to cook the fish gently and prevent it from drying out. The cake icon, shaped like a cupcake or slice of cake, is for baking. You can bake cakes, muffins, or even brownies using this setting. It provides the right temperature and airflow for even baking. Some air fryers might have a meat icon. It is for meat like steak or pork. You can adjust cooking time and temperature to suit your desired level of doneness. Also, some models include a vegetable icon. The vegetable icon is usually shaped like a bell pepper or some green vegetable. This setting is ideal for roasting vegetables such as broccoli, carrots, or zucchini. Now you are familiar with the basic icons on your Philips Airfryer HD9252. Remember that the specific temperature and time for each icon can vary. Always refer to your airfryer's manual for precise instructions and adjustments. You can also experiment to find what works best for your tastes and the specific ingredients you're using. Using the food icons can simplify your cooking process. However, don't be afraid to use the manual temperature and time settings. Mastering both will give you the most control over your air frying. Understanding these icons unlocks the full potential of your air fryer. You can quickly cook a variety of foods with perfectly cooked results. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this video helped you understand the food icons on your Philips Airfryer HD9252. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like. Also, consider subscribing for more helpful tips and tricks. Your support helps me create more content. Don't forget to leave a comment below if you have any questions or want to share your favorite air fryer recipes. Happy air frying!